Okay, so today we've harvested some tomatoes, and we did have to take the seeds so they won't taste, as sweet as they would otherwise, but since we had the opportunity, I thought maybe we should do a taste test anyway and say what our opinion is, like how we think it tastes, and a couple little things about it. Well, I guess I didn't eat this one yet, so I might as well. This is a beef tomato called Crushed Heart from Wild Boar Farms. And it's like heart-shaped, so it's very, very meaty. Very little seeds.
A lot of meat, almost no juice in there.
They're still juicy, but no, the gel stuff. Hardly any of that.
It's nothing compared to a normal tomato
Right.
with really big pockets of juice.
Yeah, and this is it's beautiful when it's whole. It's like striped and swirled. It does crack a bit. I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, I mean, I gotta be honest, since this is a good canning tomato, it is really good flavor. I think maybe might be more acidic, like a more fruity flavor than other ones like it. So that's interesting. I'll definitely grow that again. Let's see. We've got, what's this?
Blue chocolate.
That's the blue chocolate. I guess you gotta taste it too. This one is a beautiful little tomato. It's, of course, got tinges of brown, and then it's mostly like blue, dark blue.
The juice from the blue skin, it's like a dye. It's really potent juice. The skin. Yeah.
Maybe because it's a dark tomato, it does taste a bit like salty and earthy.
That's what I was going to say. It's salty, not sweet. I was going to say it's salty.
Yeah, it's really good. Like if you're one of these people that want to take a salt shaker in your back pocket to eat tomatoes out of the yard, you don't even need one with that. It's already got that nice salty, flavorful, just really good.
And the blue chocolate isn't at all like a normal grocery store red tomato.
Oh, very far from it. Whereas the Crushed Heart, well,
it was good.
Yeah.
Crushed Heart it's a lot more meaty. And still different than a grocery store.
Right. Then we've got this very bright orange one called Auriga. I don't know how to say it. Auriga. I don't know. It's a very intense orange. I like that.
And it smells really sweet.
Yeah, it does.
Well, it tastes. It has a different flavor. Like if blueberries would be yellow, orange blueberries, it would taste like that.
Yeah.
Like a ripe blueberry. It wasn't like a normal tomato at all either.
No, and It says, like in the notes that I've seen other places, that there's a slight citrus note to it, and I do taste that just a bit. Maybe if it had seeds, like the gel, it probably has more. But no, this does not taste anything like a store-bought tomato. I think orange ones in general, because they have a different acid that is actually really good.
To take out the seeds, and
Let me smell.
that smells a lot like citrus, extremely.
Yeah. I might actually have to taste.
It smells like the grapefruit.
Oh my, that does taste like a grapefruit taste. Wow, that's
Without taking seeds.
I mean, next time we get one of these to ripen, I'm just gonna eat it, seeds and all, because that's really. Yeah. I highly recommend this if you.
Sour and sweet, like not too sour.
Right, but if you like
citrus.
If you like citrus, grow this one.
Yeah, the juice.
Then we got Brandywine, and I've been waiting forever to try this. Even in cold Sweden, these made it.
We have many chunks to eat, so then we'll have a better taste.
These are very beautiful tomatoes. I have pictures and everything of before seeds were cut out. And
same looking chunks.
Yeah. And a lot of people say these are super good. They're like a pinkish red, Sudeth strain. It's an heirloom, very old. Didn't get that huge, probably because Sweden, you know, but we'll see. Very subtle, almost melon smell to it, to me.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that. It's a mild flavor.
Yeah.
It's not acidic, really. It's kind of sweet, but in a like it smells. It kind of tastes like watermelon or something, like a mild watermelon. That's what I'm getting from it. Let's smell the seeds. I might even have to taste. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of smell to it.
It's a lot of meat, and it like melts in your mouth.
Yeah, these are very beefy.
It must be easy to make like some paste with that.
Now the gel is a little more acidic than the meat, obviously, but it's not that much. It's just a really good, mild, sweet, melon-like tomato. So I see why people do like this one. I think it would be really good in cooking.
Yeah, it's mild. It tastes just a really good red tomato.
Very good.
A lot of meat. You can eat more.
Yeah, gladly. And I mean, it's good like itself. If you want to, I think this one would even work, like, not just in salads that have a lot of tomato, but this I think you could even dare to mix with other fruits, like in a fruit salad, and it would still taste fine.
Yeah.
Because it is more mildly fruity like that.
I think it would be really good for cooking, like I said.
Yeah, now I think I can get full off these.
Yeah.
Just sit out here in the garden and eat a bunch of tomatoes. This is my new hobby.
This part is just a piece of meat.
Mm.
Only meat.
Mm-hmm. Look, it's just, yeah, you just got lots of big chunks of meaty tomato. Well, that tray of tomatoes went really fast.
Mm.
That was good. A nice snack.
Yeah.
So yeah, this will be nice to look back on. And we got many more tomato types to try that are on the way. So yeah, fun. So I guess that's it then. We'll bring more to you later when there's more tomatoes. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so now I'm gonna test Tigerella. Michaela already did, but let's see. That one was pretty ripe.
Yeah.
It's kind of acidic.
It was sweet.
Well, it's sweet, but still acidic to me.
Yeah, it is.
Tiny bit sour. Maybe it was because it was so ripe. I don't know. I mean, they're okay.
It was really good. It's sweet to me.
Yeah,
Sweeter than normal tomatoes.
definitely sweeter than store-bought tomato. Yeah. It just tastes like, it tastes mostly like a red tomato, which is obvious reasons because it is mostly red with stripes. I don't really know what else to say.
Nothing
they're
else.
they're they're pretty fast growing. It was the earliest tomato in our entire garden, actually. The plant looked really sad and stressed, but it was the first tomato. So there's that. It's quick. Yeah. So that's it then.
Bye.
Bye.